In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a poster in Microsoft Word, step by step. Even though Word is usually used for documents, it actually has some powerful tools that make it great for simple poster design, especially if you don't have access to professional design software. First, open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document. Before you do anything else, set up your page size so it actually looks like a poster. Go to the Layout tab, choose Size, and pick a larger paper size, like A3 or tabloid, depending on what you plan to print on. Then go to Margins and select Narrow or create custom margins, so you can use more of the page for your design. Next, let's add a background. Go to the Design tab and click on Page Color. You can choose a solid color if you want something simple and clean. If you prefer a more creative look, you can insert a shape that covers the entire page. Right-click it, choose Format Shape, and adjust the fill and transparency until you get a soft, subtle background that doesn't overpower the text. Now we'll add the main title. Go to Insert, click Text Box, and draw a large text box across the top or center of the page. Type your poster title and then highlight the text. Change the font to something bold and easy to read. Increase the font size and adjust the alignment. Usually centering works best. Make sure the title stands out, because it's the first thing people will notice from a distance. After the title, add any subtitle or key information in smaller text boxes. This could be a date, a tagline, or a short description. Keep your fonts consistent. Use one or two fonts across the whole poster to maintain a clean, professional look. Now, let's bring in images. Go to Insert, then Pictures, and choose your image source. Once your image appears, resize it by dragging the corners so it fits your layout without stretching. Use picture format to apply simple effects if you like, but avoid overdoing it. Arrange the image so it supports the message of your poster and doesn't crowd the text. Finally, refine the layout. Use alignment guides to line up your text boxes and images. Leave some empty space so the design can breathe. When you're happy, save your file, and, if you plan to print, export it as a PDF for better quality. And that's how you create a polished poster right inside Microsoft Word.